4 colors: white, black, yellow, blue. Masking tape, 1 daughter, Q-tip, various sticks from a mango tree, and a couple of mango dried leaves. Let's go. I like to call this, I don't know, why don't we name this Lost in the Berries or something like that? Who knows, maybe this will turn up as a pattern design in my Spoonflower Shop. And if you're interested in finding new fresh material for your home, whether it's for wallpaper or fabrics, whether you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're looking for new, fresh material, I would hope you would consider this. So I'll put it up here. If it is gonna make it onto Spoonflower, I'll have it on this video. It'll show the upscaled version. And I hope you enjoyed this, this video and this painting as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.